Now let us solve some examples. See here. What is the question? Add the following. Add the following. Add. The word add is given. Means which sign is used? See here. In all the three examples, you can see the plus sign here. Is it? It means you have to add the following. Whenever a question is given, first thing what you need to do is you have to see the sign. Or is it? The heading it will be given. Add the following. If you don't understand the heading, then see the sign. What sign is given? Yes, plus sign. Plus sign means what you have to do? You have to add it. So now let us add. See here, 27 plus 31. We have to add this 27 plus 31. And 27, how it is written? See, 7 comes in 1's place and 2 comes in 10's place. So 27. And whenever you write the another digit, you have to write exactly below the 1's place only. 7 is in 1's place, then 1 also should be written in 1's place only, because it is 31. 1 it is always in 1's place. And 30 means always 3 should be in 10's place. You cannot write 27 like this and 31. In this way you cannot write, because 3 is in 10's place. So always 3 should be written in 10's place only. And you cannot write like this also. 27 plus 31. 1 you cannot write in 10's place, because 1 comes in 1's place, because it is only 1. So always you have to write in 1. And it is here 30. 30 means 3. 3 tens are 30. 10, 10's place. So 3 should be written in always 10's place. Okay. Understood now how to write the numbers before adding? Yes. 1's place numbers should be written always in 1's place only. And the numbers which comes in 10's place, they should be written always in the 10's place only. You cannot change the place of the digits. Understood? Okay. Now let us solve this. So here 7 plus 1. Always you have to start addition or subtraction from 1's place only. You cannot start addition or subtraction from 10's or 100 place. That will be wrong. So always start addition and subtraction from 1's place. So here it is 1's place, and in 1's place what you have to add? 7 and 1. 7 plus 1. So now keep in your mind the bigger number. Okay. 7 in the mind and 1 on finger. So 7 afterwards 8. Then 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. So you need to add this 10's place now. After 1's place, move to the 10's place. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. You will get the same answer only. So better keep bigger number in your mind, so that it will be easy for you to add smaller digits. So 3 will be in your mind and 2 will be on your fingers. So 3 afterwards 4, 5. So here 2 plus 3 is 5. Then coming to the next example. 5 plus 4. Yes, 5 plus 4 means 5 will be in your mind and 4 will be on your fingers. So 5 afterwards 6, 7, 8, 9. Then now coming to the 10's place. 4 plus 1. So keep the bigger number in your mind and smaller number on your hand. So here 4 plus 1. 4 afterwards 5. Then here it is 10 plus 11. 10. 10 means here 0. Okay, 0 plus 1. 0 means what? 0. 0 means nothing. You are not adding anything here. Is it? 0 means is there anything? No. Means you are not adding anything here. It means 1 itself. And 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind and 1 on finger. 1 afterwards 2. This is equal to 21. Now coming to the next heading. Find the sum of the following. Sum. So I am using the word here sum. Already I have explained you. Sum, add, all these are related to addition only. Sum means also you have to add. So you can see the sign here. It is addition. Okay. So now you have to add this. So don't get confused. If the heading is given add the following or find the sum of the following. Add and sum both means the same. You have to add here. Okay. So now let us solve the example. So 5 plus 6. You have to add 5 plus 6. This I have already written in tens and ones place. So now you need to add this. 5 plus 6. So bigger number you can keep in your mind 6. Okay, and 5 on your fingers. So 6 afterwards 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you got 11 now. You did not get single digit. Now you are getting 11. Is it? 11 is a 2-digit number. Then where do you need to write 11? Is it like this here 11? No. You should write 1 here. This one you are writing here, and this another number which is in the tens place. You have to carry it towards the tens place only. You cannot write 11 here again because 11, this one is in tens place. So you have to carry it to the tens place. Okay. So now you got here 3 digits. So you have to add these 3 digits now. So 3 plus 1 is 3 afterwards 4. Okay, you got 4. If you want, you can write here small 4 so that you will remember it. So now you got 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 you have to add. 4 in the mind, 4 on fingers now. 4 afterwards. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8. Understood? Now let us solve another example. 7 plus 8. It is not necessary that always you have to take what is the upper number in the mind. Okay. For addition, particularly for addition I am telling. Okay. It's not necessary for upper number only you have to take. You can take either any number, whether it is up or down, but you have to take bigger number in the mind so that it will be easy for you to add the smaller number on your fingers. Okay. So 8 will be in your mind. Then now count 7 fingers. Okay. So 8 afterwards 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the answer? 15. So you got 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. Then how to write 15? Yes, as I said here. So which is in ones place? We'll go to ones place, and which is in tens place, you have to carry here in the tens place. Okay, you cannot write here 1. You have to carry and add it with this another 2 digits. Now let us add this. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then here you can write small 3 here. Okay. So 3 plus 5. Yes, 5 will be in the mind. 3 on fingers. 5 afterwards. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 85. So another example we'll see. 46 plus 20. So you have to add first tens place. 6 plus 0. So 6 plus 0. 0 means what? You are not adding anything. 0 means nothing. You are not adding anything. Okay. So the answer will be 6 itself. Either 0 comes up or down. In addition, you are not adding anything there. So the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Then say 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind, 2 on fingers. So 4 afterwards, 5, 6. Answer is 66.